Have you ever skipped a meal and actually felt better? What if I told you that fasting isn't just about skipping food? It's a powerful tool that can boost your metabolism, burn fat, and even slow down aging. Sounds crazy, right? Well, science backs it up. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what happens to your body when you fast, and trust me, the results are mind-blowing. Stick around till the end because I'll also share who should avoid fasting and the best ways to get started. When you stop eating, the first thing your body does is use up the glucose, sugar, in your bloodstream. This usually happens within 12 hours of your last meal. Since there's no fresh energy coming in, your insulin levels start to drop. That's a good thing because high insulin is linked to weight gain and diabetes. If you've ever felt a little hungry but also sharper after skipping breakfast, that's because your body is switching to fat-burning mode. But wait, it gets even better. After 12 hours, your body runs out of stored sugar and starts burning fat for fuel instead. This is why fasting is so effective for weight loss. At this stage, your body starts producing ketones, which give you more energy and help you focus better. This is the same reason why keto diets work, but fasting does it naturally. Now, this is where the magic happens. Around the 24-hour mark, your body goes into autophagy. What's that? It's a fancy word for your cells cleaning up damaged parts, recycling waste, and even repairing themselves. Think of it as your body's natural detox. Scientists believe that autophagy helps fight aging, inflammation, and even diseases like Alzheimer's. Crazy, right? After 2 days, your body really levels up. Growth hormone skyrockets by up to 5 times. Why does that matter? It helps build muscle. It slows down aging. It makes you look younger and feel stronger. And here's something even cooler. Your brain loves fasting. Fasting triggers BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which helps grow new brain cells and boosts memory. So, if you want to feel sharper, fasting might be your secret weapon. Who should or shouldn't fast? Now, before you go all in on fasting, here's a quick heads up. Check mark, fasting is great for people looking to lose weight, improve focus, or reset their metabolism. But avoid fasting if you're pregnant, have a history of eating disorders, or have certain medical conditions. Always check with your doctor first. The best way to start? Try a 14 to 16-hour fast a few times a week and see how you feel. So, is fasting worth it? Science says yes. It's not just about skipping meals. It's a powerful tool to reset your body, burn fat, and even improve your brain function. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried fasting? What was your experience? Let's chat below. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay strong.